Everyone has their hair mask of choice when it comes to treating damage, inducing shine, or just adding a dollop of moisture. But let's be real, most are too expensive to use as frequently as recommended. Thankfully, when you're in between masks, you can make your own with ingredients you probably already have around the house. Homemade hair masks are great for soothing and repairing cuticles damaged from coloring, hot tools, salt water, and even chlorine. Plus, they're customizable to your specific hair type, whether it be coarse, frizzy, dry, oily, fine, or wavy. We wanted to learn all about the best DIY hair masks, so we tapped the experts to give us the know-how. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural beauty powerhouse and works best to soften and tame thick, dry hair. It's easily absorbed into the hair due to its fatty acids. It contains both vitamin E to promote hair growth and a UV filter to stop sun damage, and its moisturizing properties protect hair from drying out. There are several ways to use coconut oil depending on your hair needs. For one, you can try a pre-shampoo application for 10 minutes if you're using it as a treatment to strengthen the hair. Or, for a deep conditioning treatment, use in place of a conditioner and apply from mid-shaft to the ends to moisturize and defrizz.
When rubbed directly on the scalp, coconut oil has an antimicrobial effect, which helps fight dandruff, unclog pores, and promote hair growth. Whatever method you choose, melt the coconut oil by rubbing a small amount in between your hands and using a wide-toothed comb to evenly coat the scalp and strands of hair.
Coconut oil is heavy, so use the proper amount for your hair texture. For fine hair, use a teaspoon, and for thick hair, use a tablespoon.
2. Milk and honey.
If you're sporting fine hair and looking for a DIY hair mask to treat damage, you've found it in a mixture of milk and honey. Honey contains keratin to help strengthen the hair and prevent breakage caused by weak, brittle hair. It also encourages cell regeneration for a healthier scalp and has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm irritation. When combined with milk, which is chock full of proteins, amino acids, vitamin B12, iron, and zinc, the duo can help soften the hair and support its structure. Because milk has a thin, liquidy consistency, putting 1 cup of milk along with 1 tablespoon of honey into a spray bottle and misting it onto the hair. Leave in for 10 to 20 minutes after shampooing, in place of conditioner. Rinse out with warm water for shiny, smooth results.
3. Blend banana and olive oil. 2 ingredients you likely have sitting in your kitchen that can work wonders to restore your hair are bananas and olive oil. Banana hydrates and moisturizes dull, damaged, dry hair, as it's rich in vitamins and minerals such as potassium that can strengthen the hair and balance the pH of the scalp. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which can make the hair look more shiny and sleek. It may also moisturize the hair and heal damage that can cause breakage and split ends. To make the homemade hair mask, use 1 ripe banana and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Blend or mash the banana until it reaches a lump-free puree. Add the olive oil and continue blending. The result should be a creamy, frothy hair mask. While in the shower, apply the mask throughout the hair and scalp with fingers. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing.
4. Avocado and olive oil.
Split ends are caused by the weakening of the structure of the cuticle, resulting in damaged hair. Damage is mainly caused by heat styling, harsh chemicals from highlighting or straightening, and free radicals in our environment such as pollution and sun exposure. While nothing can really mend split ends together, you'll need to get a trim to completely rid them. A hair mask can make them look healthy in the meantime. Avocados have minerals that will seal the cuticle, as well as proteins and vitamins to nourish and soften the hair. A layer of olive oil will add extra shine and sleekness to gloss over the damaged hair. Make. Use half of an avocado and a half cup of olive oil. Mash together in a bowl with a fork and apply to the split ends only. This one is best when left on for a half hour, so pull up Netflix for the wait. 5. Egg yolk. Our Sunday morning breakfast just got a little more multi-purpose. Egg yolk is rich in vitamins that may make hair more resistant to damage. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are some of the nutrients that have been linked to hair growth and healthy hair. Applying egg yolk to your scalp can infuse the root of your hair with these vitamins.
To do this mask, start with clean, dry hair. Stir the egg yolk and apply the mask using fingers, making sure to coat the top of the scalp and the ends of the hair. Leave on for 1 hour and rinse with cold water. Hot water may cause the egg to curdle. 6. Yogurt. Experts agree that the makeup of yogurt can help keep frizz at bay. The lactic acid in yogurt hydrates the hair, which will help moisturize damage and prevent frizziness. When the yogurt is rinsed out, it also helps to clear away dead skin cells that can build up on the hair follicles. Yogurt can be mixed with many other ingredients depending on the desired result. With coconut oil to help with hair loss, honey to help hair retain moisture, avocado to help strengthen the hair and add shine, or lemon to help balance the pH of the scalp. Mixing 1 cup of yogurt with a tablespoon of olive oil to add more shine and sleekness to the strands. Apply the mixture to the hair for 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. 7. Apple cider vinegar. According to apple cider vinegar can have benefits for many hair types. It can be a great detangler for long fine hair. It can help close the cuticle of color-treated hair, thus reducing fottage. It can also help control frizz, making it a popular treatment among those with curly and natural hair. It can even clear the hair follicle from debris and help reduce hair loss. If you have dry hair, be cautious, as using too much can cause further dryness by removing too many oils.
For a lightweight mask, mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with a tablespoon of honey. This is used as a binding agent to keep the moisture from being stripped from the hair and scalp. Put the mixture into a spray bottle and mist onto the hair. Leave in for 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water.
9. Olive oil and coconut oil. A combination of olive oil and coconut oil can contribute to commercial-ready, high-gloss shine. Both are natural emollients that keep hydration in the hair so it can remain smooth, soft, and shiny. And if you have dry ends, olive oil in particular will coat them, making them feel smooth and look polished. Mixing 1/4 of a cup of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of heated coconut oil. The warmth of the oil will open the hair cuticle for deeper penetration. Leave on the hair for 10 minutes in a shower cap, then rinse with warm water. 10. Lemon and egg. If your hair routine consists of loads of dry shampoo, hairspray, and other styling products, you're likely experiencing buildup on the scalp. A clarifying shampoo could help, but a DIY hair mask made up of eggs and lemon may be easier to whip up. The whites of the eggs are high in protein and vitamins that can strengthen damaged hair. They can also remove buildup, making them great for oily hair and scalp health. Lemon can balance the pH of the scalp, boost hair growth, and help reduce hair loss. It can also add shine and help reduce the egg smell that may linger in the hair. Mix 1 egg white and the juice of 1 lemon and apply to clean, dry hair and scalp. Leave on for 1 hour before rinsing out. 11. Cinnamon. Those with thinning, weakened hair in need of a scalp cleanse and fortification can benefit from a cinnamon mask, as cinnamon is a stimulant that may increase blood flow to the scalp, which can speed up the hair growth process. Mix a teaspoon of cinnamon with 3 tablespoons of yogurt for a scalp and hair treatment. Yogurt will thicken the mixture and help clean the scalp and add protein for strength. Apply with fingers and massage from scalp to ends to fully cover. Leave in for 10 minutes and shampoo out. 12. Green tea. Green tea leaves are an antioxidant for the hair and scalp, protecting from free radicals which are pollutant stressors. Green tea helps to slow the shedding process that occurs during the natural cycle of hair growth and loss. Who notes that added benefits are cutting down on oil production and dandruff. Steep tea leaves for 5 minutes and let it cool. Add a few drops of honey for hydration and shine, she says. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle and mist onto the scalp and hair. Massage from scalp to ends to fully saturate. Leave in for 10 minutes and rinse.